Nah, all the legends returning at the same time. Me and Corey Kenshin. Mine obviously being the bigger deal, but his was cool too.
What the fuck is your ugly ass looking at, bitch?
Shaquisha, calm down. Damn, nigga.
Ugly ass
Relax, kid. You
bitch
a
with
squeaker,
your
nigga. You a
fucking
squeaker. You a
braces. Shut the fuck
squeaker.
up, ugly
You're a
ass bitch ass
squeaker,
nigga.
buddy. You're a squeaker. Squeaker. Yeah. Little rat ass. Rat ass. Rat,
Shut the
rat.
fuck up, ugly ass bitch.
Yeah.
Are you a part of the
You rat.
LGBTQ
You
plus?
rat. You rat.
You are?
Nah, my girl is, though. Yeah. Yeah, my girl, like, she swing both ways. So, like, yeah. Like, how can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
You thought you ate that one? You thought you ate that one, Gyaaaat? You thought you ate that?
You thought I was feeling you?
Yeah.
That nigga a munch.
That nigga a munch.
Hey, that kid was white, Eddie. That kid was white. Hey, why you lying? Why you lied? You said you was a girl. You not a girl, bro. What you got going on? You not a girl, bro. What you doing? What this for, bro? You doing so much. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You doing too much. Yo, why is you licking your lips? Licking his lips. Yo, why you licking your lips at me? Solid.
Hi,
Well, hello, my friend.
how are you doing?
I seem to be doing splendid today, my friend.
What's wrong?
The wife, she's treating me horribly at home. I just can't stand her.
I'm so sorry to hear this. I'm really, really sorry.
I just wish she would, act in her place. Like she keeps
Tell me,
overstepping her
I'm here for
place.
you.
I just wish that she would, stay in her place, do her thing, and I do my thing. I will go out. I will do what I need to do, and she just does what she needs to do. She needs to stop trying to control what I want to do.
Period. Period.
Right,
Yeah, man. I see.
it's horrible.
Right, right.
What's
Oh,
happening
you
with
live in
you?
Japan, right?
Yes,
Huh?
it's I just moved here. It's not really my thing, but I came
How
over
do you
here. It
like
was a
it?
family thing. I'm just here.
Right, right. Okay. That's nice. Yeah.
What's going on with you?
Don't be so sad. Well, I'm pretty good. I get fired from my fucking work because I'm smart ass, and now I'm using this fucking app because I'm bored. Love this.
Damn, what happened? They thought you were too smart?
I'm smart ass because I said them that they made this mistake in contract, and they didn't want to say like yes we did this mistake. So the much easier. What they wait hold on. I'm a bit tired.
Take
They
your
just
time, take your
fired me
time.
because I said them you made mistake in contract and I live in Holland and they came from France because I was working there at the art gallery. So there
Oh,
was such a big mess.
was it the big art gallery, the one at the Mona Lisa?
No. It's called Banksy Museum. I think in New York you have the museum, this one. It's called Banksy or Banksu, whatever. I can write you. You can check maybe. Uh,
Oh, I think I've heard of
Banksy.
it before. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure.
I hope it's right. I don't really remember.
Oh, the
Wait, hold
backseat.
on.
Let
Wait,
me
wait,
look it up.
wait. Did you be ever in New York?
I think they have some in
Hmm?
New York. I haven't really checked for myself, so I wouldn't know, but I don't
So
really go
yeah,
outside much.
okay. Well, man, I'm gonna say good luck with your wife, girlfriend. I don't know what else I can say, but good luck. Take care. I know you're a
Yes,
strong, powerful man.
yes. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Chat, I'm really an actor for real. Like, I mean, nigga.
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi, my friend.
You from where?
Well, I stay in the States now, but I'm from Russia.
Ah, nice to meet you.
Yes, my friend.
You Muslim? You Muslim?
No, I'm not
You are
Muslim. I
Muslim?
can see that you're Muslim. I could tell.
Ah,
Muslim, though I'm not Muslim.
you know, today Eid,
Oh well,
we have
what?
Eid.
Yeah, to eat today?
Not today. Yes, today.
Oh, today.
We have Eid.
Uh,
Yeah.
oh, wasn't it just Eid al-Malik? Like the other day, it was Eid al-Malik.
Uh,
Oh man,
come to Dubai.
Dubai.
Hmm?
I want to come one
Yes,
day. I
come.
want to come to Dubai. Wallahi, I want to come.
Come. Very good, Dubai.
Yes, yes. If you can send me a private jet, I will come to Dubai.
I don't have money.
You live in Dubai. You must
I'm
have money.
homeless. You know homeless? Me homeless. Wallah homeless.
Yeah, even homeless in Dubai is rich, very rich.
Homeless in Dubai, rich?
Yes, Dubai is rich.
I want a buggy, but I have this only. What this?
No, you have PS5.
أخي only يمكن كم ساعة؟ يمكن 100 this.
If you pay for my flight, I will come to Dubai.
I don't have money.
Whose house are you in? Do you have a nice painting in the back? That's a nice painting.
This
He looks very rich. Very, very rich.
this
Is that your uncle? Doesn't he own the oil? He owns the oil.
king. This is the king.
Mr. King?
Yes.
Oh, is that your uncle?
Hmm?
Are you related?
What?
You related?
No, not me. I buy from
Oh,
another
oh.
one.
So how do you get money? How do you eat?
I eat. I do. I cook in the home. Now I eat this.
Oh, you're eating on the floor.
Yes, we need to eat on the table.
Oh, I
We
see, I
eat
see, I
this.
see.
We eat on hand like this.
Oh, you use your hands.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, I see, I see.
Like this.
Like these.
Not. Huh?
Like
No, you take this. You take rice like this,
rice
and like this.
and rolls. Okay, okay. I see, I see.
Yes.
Yes. That's very interesting.
You know my dad. My dad. He see me eat with the spoon. He kill me.
What? Why?
Ma, he not love
He hates spoon. He
like
don't like
this.
spoon.
Yes, all we not like. Only hand.
Wow. But do you have spoons in the house?
We have only for maybe cook only.
Not for eating.
No.
Oh, that is very. very, 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 very different.
Hi, hello.
For real, bro. If I see any more than 4 Indian niggas with no shirts on, bro, I'm gonna start crashing out, bro. Because these Indian niggas don't ever got shirts on, bro. They don't ever have shirts on, bro. They
And
ain't
they
ever talking
dirty
about
as shit.
shit
Like
either.
these niggas be
They ain't
dirty
ever
as
talking
shit.
about shit either, bro.
Bro.
But he just.
Bro.
Damn. Bro, that's disgusting. Say excuse me. Word to my dad.
What am I doing?
Niggas is not ignorant, bro.
Nah, I wasn't expecting that. That was kind of crazy. I apologize. Like that kind of just caught me off guard. You know what I'm saying?
What caught you off guard? The boobs. That'd be the problem with you. See my balls.
Nah, that's great. Nah, you can't like you just had it like in a screen. I was just like, damn, like, I wasn't expecting that.
No, that's the problem. Y'all, you know, titties are normal. They're natural. Y'all just are too sexual nowadays in this world. So y'all feel like y'all gotta address everything that y'all
No,
see,
it
and then
wasn't anything
y'all so horny and
sexual.
overly freaked out that
I was
like
just expecting to see like a beautiful woman in her
big
face, and like I was just like I didn't expect that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like
Oh,
that's why
I'm
I
ugly.
apologize. I apologize. You
I'm
know?
ugly. I'm ugly. I'm
No,
ugly. I'm ugly.
no, ma'am. Can we have a civilized conversation? Like I was just saying
Oh shit. What
that,
am I doing? Come on, y'all.
I wasn't
Y'all
expecting to
ain't got
see
no
that.
turn.
Like when the deer run out on the road on you, like you not expecting to see that. Like, it kind of
You
catches
still
you off
talking?
guard.
Click the arrow. I hate niggas who talk too much about nothing. I don't know money. Talking about this Woo! My cousin said you talk too damn much. Boom.
Nah, she just don't know how to communicate. Like you gotta communicate. You know what I'm saying?
You
Like,
still there?
yes, I'm still here,
Me
ma'am.
not.
I'm still here, ma'am. I'm still here, ma'am. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here, ma'am. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. What's good? I'm still here. I'm still here.
857-301.
Yeah. Drop that info. Drop that info. Drop that info. Still
It's
here.
working.
I'm still here.
857-301.
I got you, ma. Don't worry about it. I got you, ma. I got you, ma. I got you, ma. Just type it in. Just type it in right there. Type it in. Type it in right there.
I heard it. 857.
I got you.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I cope with drugs. Think I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun. Feeling weak, but I gotta be strong. Like, only feel love when I